Thank you for choosing the PureDrop PDR-100RO 3-stage reverse osmosis water filtration system. With proper installation and maintenance, this water system will provide clean water for years to come. Please follow the instructions in the video for proper installation procedures. Before we start, carefully read the precautions section of the user manual. Ensure all parts are included in your water systems package and that you have all the necessary tools ready. Installation: Feed water adapter. The PDR-100RO was designed to be installed under the sink. Please clean out the space before installation. The feed water adapter fits common 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch connectors. If you have a different size fitting, you will need a converter. Step 1. Turn off the cold water valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to drain out any air and water. Step 2. Disconnect the faucet connector hose. Be prepared to catch any excess water from the hose with a towel. Step 3. Ensure the O-ring is seated properly inside the adapter to prevent leaks. Install the feed water adapter to the valve and tighten it with a wrench. Step 4. Reinstall the faucet connector hose to the feed water adapter and tighten it with a wrench. Step 5. Turn the feed water valve to the off position. Connect the white tubing to the adapter and insert a locking clip to secure the connection. Ensure you have enough tubing length for future maintenance. Measure and cut the tube. Installation: Drinking faucet. Choose a suitable flat surface on the sink or countertop to install the drinking faucet. If your kitchen sink does not have a pre-existing hole, you will need to drill one, 1/2 inch in diameter. A faucet bracket is recommended if there is no available sinkhole. Step 1. Clean and dry the area. Step 2. Slip the front plate and then the rubber washer into the faucet stem. Insert the faucet into the sinkhole. Step 3. From under the sink, slip the rubber washer and the wing nut into the faucet stem. Tighten the nut with the wing to secure it. Step 4. Insert the quick connect coupling to the faucet stem. Insert the tubing into the quick connecting coupling 1/2 inch deep. Then insert a collet to lock the tubing in place. Installation: Drain saddle. Step 1. Choose a spot on the drain pipe convenient for installing the drain saddle and tubing. A horizontal pipe is recommended to minimize the dripping sound. Do not install it after the P-trap to prevent potential microorganism growth. Step 2. Drill a 1/4 inch hole into the drain pipe. Paste the seal pad around the hole to prevent leaks. Step 3. Cut the end of the red tubing tip to create a 45-degree angle and insert the tubing through the drain saddle to the drain pipe. Step 4. Install the back plate and tighten the 2 screws with hex nuts. Pull the tubing lightly to ensure it is secure. System startup. Step 1. Unwrap and insert the filter cartridges in correct order and twist counterclockwise to secure the filters. Step 2. Insert the white tubing from the feed water adapter 1/2 inch deep into the water inlet port of the system. Step 3. The leak stop should be installed between the feed water valve and the system's inlet port. Ensure it's placed on the floor near to the system. Step 4. Insert the blue tubing from the drinking water faucet 1/2 inch deep into the pure port of the system. Step 5. Insert the red tubing from the drain saddle 1/2 inch deep into the drain port of the system. Please insert locking clips to secure all connections. Step 6. Slowly turn on the feed water adapter. Check for any leaks. Plug the power adapter into a 110 volt outlet. The system will emit 3 beeps and initiate a 90-second flush, during which all 4 LED lights will flash white. Step 7. After the initial flush, the system will start filtration automatically until the built-in tank is filled up. Each fill-up takes approximately 30 minutes. Once the tank is filled, turn on the faucet and drain the water from the tank. Fill and drain the tank 2 to 3 times before starting to use the system. The installation is now complete. Please note that the system will initiate a 10-second autoflush sequence every time it has been running for a cumulative period of 2 hours. Hold and press both select and reset button for 2 seconds. The system will start a 90-second flush sequence. Filter replacement. Filter lifespan may vary based on the quality of the incoming water. When a filter is nearing the end of its life, the corresponding filter life indicator will blink in red, accompanied by a long 5-beep sound during water dispensation. The filter should be replaced promptly to maintain the quality and taste of the output water. To replace the filter, Step 1. Shut off the feed water valve. Swing the old filter to the side and rotate the filter cartridge clockwise to remove it. Clean up any spilled water. Step 2. Install the new filter cartridge by twisting it counterclockwise into position. Step 3. Open the feed water valve. Press and hold the reset button for 2 seconds to enter the reset mode. Use the select button to cycle through indicators representing different filters. The chosen filter's indicator will light up, while the others stay off. Long press the reset button to reset the chosen filter's indicator. After resetting, the system will automatically exit the reset mode. The filter replacement is now complete. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you.